Assalamu alaikum students. Today's topic is about digestive system. Before I start the topic, let me brief you about the terms which are related to digestive system. What is ingestion? The process of taking food, drink or any other substance into the body by swallowing is called ingestion. And the conversion of food into simpler form with the help of enzymes called digestion. After digestion, food is absorbed by the body is called absorption. Another term which are related to digestive system is defecation. Unabsorbed food is thrown out of the body in the form of feces. This is known as defecation. This is the terms which are related to the digestive system. Now the set of organs which take part in the digestion of food is called digestive system. And the organ involved in digestion are mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, anus. Human digestive system starts with mouth. It is the beginning of digestive tract when food that we eat is broken down into smaller pieces by the chewing action of our teeth. It is mixed with saliva produced by salivary gland. Contains enzyme called amylase. Amylase break down starch molecules into soluble sugar molecule called maltose. Now the food swallowing through the tongue goes down into the esophagus. Now there is a term which is related to digestive system is epiglottis. Epiglottis is a flap of cartilage behind the tongue, and the function of this epiglottis is to block the windpipe during eating so that food is not accidentally inhaled. Now food is passed to esophagus. Esophagus, chewed food passed down through esophagus. It is a narrow tube with strong muscles on its wall, and no digestion takes place in the esophagus. Now the food passed through the long narrow tube down to the stomach. Stomach, it is a muscular bag held the capacity to store 1.5 liter of food for about 4 to 5 hours. Now food is mixed with gastric juice secreted by the wall of stomach. This gastric juice contains HCl, which kills most bacteria in the food. It also gives best conditions for enzymes to breaking down of food. The food is churned around in the stomach for up to 6 hours after a large meal. Now, this is the process of digestion from mouth to stomach. Inshallah, in the next class, remaining part of digestive system will be explained. Thank you.